Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today gonna show you how to do the hard reset of your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9. This actually gonna be help if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or the software doesn't work properly. So first of all, we need to turn off our device. After that, press and hold volume up and power button together. Still holding. Release power, still holding volume up. Release. Now go down by volume down. Wipe data, accept by power. Wipe all data. Go down, confirm. And that's it. Now phone gonna be erase all the data from your phone. So we're gonna reboot it to system, and phone gonna be start with the new brand firmware without any password and passcode on your phone. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey,